ChatGPT just got a little bit too personal. What does that mean? I'm gonna give you guys the breakdown in this video. If you guys are new here, my name is Anthony Virgo. I am building AI for everyday people. If you need any support with AI services, education, I'm your guy. Send me an email or a DM on LinkedIn and we will connect. But as you know, ChatGPT is becoming a lot more advanced, a lot more easier to understand their user. And what that means is as you talk to it, as you develop a relationship with it, it's prompted to get to know you and reference what you actually told it. So it's not going to be talking from a place where it's just pulling information from random places. No, this is something that's curated to get to know you and then also understand you once you tell it things and remember it like a real person. ChatGPT Plus can now automatically search for memories, past chats, and files to pull in relevant content for more helpful responses. When a response is personalized, you can view the memory source behind it and update or delete anything that's no longer relevant. So you can actually go in and change something that you might have told it by accident or by mistake and refresh the memory on that. Where should I travel to next, right? Based on your travel history and style, I think your next trip should feel inspiring, right? It's gonna give you so much information because it has your context, it has your memory, and it's saying Mexico City for this person. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna try it with my ChatGPT and see what it says, just so you guys can see it live. You can also connect your Gmail so it can actually get more relevant information on your inbox. So if you traveled in the past and they know how you booked, where you booked through, maybe the specific airline that you love flying with, it's gonna customize that. Now this is live. This is not nothing that I've tried before. Let's go ahead and open my ChatGPT. And yeah, I'm gonna say this. Based on what you know about me, where should I travel next, right? Where should I travel next specifically? Let's see. Considering your travel goals. I don't have that much travel goals, so I'm interested in what it's actually gonna tell me. Anthony, based on what I know about you, music, AI content creation, family freedom, warm weather, water wellness, and wanting places that can inspire both business and lifestyle, I'll put these at the top of your list. Jamaica. What? Jamaica. Anybody who knows me know that Jamaica is my top tier place to travel to because my family is from there. I have an infrastructure there, and I would default to going to Jamaica any time during the year, any place. If we're planning something and the plans aren't going through, I always default to, man, let's just go to Jamaica, or I'll be wanting to go to Jamaica. So this honestly is correct. It feels more aligned with your long-term vision. You already talked about wanting to buy property in Jamaica and be there as often as possible. So your next trip shouldn't just be a vacation, it should be a lifestyle scouting trip, right? Why it fits: warm weather, strong culture, music, food, creative energy, great backdrop for calm lifestyle, remote work, test run for your AI business. So I could go there and test out how it is in Jamaica, test out the Wi-Fi, potential, property research and family legacy angle. So like I was saying, it knows that my parents are from Jamaica, that I have ties to Jamaica, right? Best way to frame this trip: go for 4 to 7 days, treat it like a future life preview. Spend time at the trip relaxing, right? Part doing content and part researching neighborhood, cost of living, property, and all that. All right, next is gonna be Miami. Whoa, okay. Miami, everybody know that if I was to live anywhere else on the East Coast, it will be in Miami. Why? Because of the water and the weather, and it reminds me of Jamaica, and I just feel like Miami is a good city to be in. Why is it saying I should go to Miami? Best for networking, content, and business energy, right? So Miami makes sense if you want a trip that feels like business, lifestyle, and motivation at the same time. Why it fits: great for AI entrepreneur lifestyle content, strong car music and creator culture, easy place to shoot high quality visuals, good environment to network with founders, creators, and business owners. So based on the frame of the trip, you could spend 3 to 4 days, content and business reset, shoot YouTube and LinkedIn content, visit co-working space, test your remote working workflow, and maybe line up 1 or 2 AI service conversations. That's amazing, right? This is my itinerary, right? Boom, ATL. Let's see what it says about ATL. Best for HBCU, Black entrepreneurs in music. Atlanta is probably one of the smartest brand building tricks for you. It connects directly to your HBCU content, music goals, and Black business network and creative identity. Why it fits: huge Black creator entrepreneur ecosystem, strong music scene, HBCU proximity, and the list goes on. Now, why is this beneficial? It's no longer going to give you irrelevant information. This is the perfect time for people to understand how to train their AI so that it learns them or learns the system. Using AI as your thought leader, your thinking partner, and really getting stuff done. Again, if you need any support with AI transformation services, whether you want to build something, whether you want to learn something, whether you're at the stage where you just don't know what's going on and you need help, I'm your guy. Go ahead and send me an email or connect with me directly on LinkedIn. Send me a message. My name is Anthony Virgo. Let's automate this.